The Van Buren Bridge replacement project is located in Corvallis, Oregon, State Route 34 over the Willamette River. The replacement bridge, founded on drilled shafts, was designed to have improved performance seismically. GRL Engineers would analyze the construction quality of the drilled shafts, and the test results would also help gain an understanding of these parameters for this project and potentially future projects. GRL services included cross-hole sonic logging, or CSL, drilled shaft verticality assessment, SHAPE, which is a caliper logging device, bi-directional static load testing, BDSLT, and thermal integrity profiling, instrumentation and analysis, TIP. Bi-directional static load testing was utilized to assess the end bearing and side shear data of the drilled shafts. Thermal wire cables were installed on the reinforcing cage of the test shafts to help locate potential anomalies along the shaft length. Cross-hole sonic logging, or CSL testing, was performed on 8 of the drilled shafts, typically 4 days after concrete placement. Shaft verticality was assessed with a SHAPE, or shaft area profile evaluator. This caliper logging device utilizes 8 ultrasonic signals which simultaneously scan the excavation sidewalls along the length of the shaft. Results of all 4 test methods can be found in the full case study.